Welcome back to Tiny Talent Academy. Today, we are learning the am word family. A word family means many words that end the same. Well done. When words end the same, they sound the same. The ending for this family is am. It sounds like am. Now, let us learn some am words. Am, am, am. Jam, jam. Ham, ham. Ram, ram. Yam, yam. Now, let us read all the am words together. Am, jam, ham, ram, yam. Very good. Now, we will build words with the am ending. Remember, am is the ending sound. We will put a sound in front of am to build a word. Let's start with the ending. Am. Add j in front of am. Am. Jam. Add h in front of am. Am. Ham. Add in front of am. Am. Ram. These are the words we built by blending sounds. Jam, ham, ram. Now, let us break these words into sounds. This helps with spelling. Jam, j, ham, ram, Wonderful. Now it is test time. Read these am words with me. Am, jam, ham, ram, yam. If you read all the words, give yourself 5 golden stars. You did an amazing job today. You learned the am family. You learned how to blend. You learned how to read. And you learned how to build words. Thank you for learning with Tiny Talent Academy. If you liked this lesson, please like this video and subscribe for more fun learning. Bye, my little readers. See you soon.